Planeerimist me alustasime juba detsembris ja iga natukese aja tagant siis on olnud meil koosolekud ja kõige suurem raskus oli kõigepealt siis leida need alad. Me küll teadsime, et see on Lõuna-Eestis, aga leida nüüd siin Lõuna-Eestis toetav infra, need alad, kuhu teha checkpointid ja lõpuks siis lugu ja need checkpointid siis läheksid ka omavahel kokku ja asi oleks loogiline. Arvestades siis, et põhiülesanne on minna vastase tagalasse ja teostada siis seal kaugluuret. Minu hinnangul on meil läinud väga hästi. Meil on hetkeseisuga katkestanud 8 tiimi. 14 on meil siis veel alles, aga see näitab ka seda, et tugevad on alles jäänud ja eks siis need, kes nii tugevad ei olnud, et siis peavad mõtlema oma ettevalmistuse peale ja et kuhu nad tulevad. Me oleme toonud niisuguse asja nagu droonide kasutamine enne niisuguses mahus ei ole kunagi tehtud. Ja ma arvan, see on üks võrreldes eelmiste aastatega üks suuremaid asju, mis ta neile annab, et kuidas siis reaalselt droone kasutada taktikalises olukorras vastase tagalas. Hetkeseisuga, kuna see üritus veel käib, ma ei saa lõplikku vastust anda, aga siiamaani nähtu ja kuuldu põhjal ma olen väga rahul ja see on kogu minu tiimi suur panus siis sellesse üritusse.
So preparation-wise, we did some KIMS games, some memory games. We did a bit of patrolling, longer distances. We also went through some armored fighting vehicle recognition, looking at Russian vehicles, weapons, that kind of thing. And then we just went through basic battlefield tactics and patrol skills, that kind of stuff. Preparation-wise, we only did about a week. We didn't have that much time to prepare. All the information we had was from old videos, from the old patrols last few years. We expected a big distance, so almost like a military ultramarathon. We expected things like river crossings, that kind of stuff. But a lot of the challenges were a surprise. For example, the first one with the range, being zip-tied, sort of escape and evasion stuff, that was quite a surprise to us, but it was good. The hardest part definitely was the mileage on your feet. I don't think we prepared enough physically for it, and because of that we had a few injuries, sadly. I wouldn't say I'm satisfied, I would like to complete it. I think myself and a couple of guys in the team would have completed it. And sadly we had a few injuries, so we had to stop early. But the fact that we did 64 kilometers in 24 hours, I think that's an achievement in itself.